Because my country empowers me.
Because I believe in every Indian child.
Because no matter where I live, India lives in me.
Because technology connects us, but love for India unites us.
Because a nation is strongest when its families stand together.
Because serving the nation is my duty and my honor.
Because my students are the heartbeat of tomorrow.
I love my India.
Because every voice, every heart can create real change.
Because Indian women are shaping the future with courage.
Because every effort, big or small, keeps India running.
Because protecting India begins with loving India.
Because India's culture beats in every heart.
Because my dreams are made in India.
Because serving the nation is my duty and my honor.
Because I want to leave a united India for the next generation.
One heart.
One India.
One historic moment.
Hi India. This Republic Day, we are joining Hand Heart Movement.